Speaker power poses. Today we're going to talk about 3 speaker power poses that identify you as a powerful speaker and or leader. I am AmondaRose Igoe, your speaking success strategist, and today we're going to talk about speaker power poses that you can use immediately in your next presentation. And you pick the ones that work for you and you leave the ones that don't. So let's talk about the 3 speaker power poses that you've seen successful speakers like myself use. The first one is you spread your arms wide and you fill the space. Now you don't stay here, so you're going to bring home up, you're going to say a point, you're going to fill that space with your arms wide, you're going to bring your arms back down. So immediately you feel more powerful, then you bring them back down. So if I was to do that, I would say this is an amazing strategy to help you compel your audience and move them forward, right? So I'm going to fill that space with the energy of it. So that you can use, but you want to think about when you're going to do it in your presentation. You just don't want to fling your arms up all the time. You're going to fill the space up, but you're going to do it at the right moment. Another one is the steeple. You may have seen lots of times people do this. Now the steeple says, I am confident. Yeah, it says, I am confident. Now you don't want to spend your whole entire time walking around the steeple, just like you won't want to do spreading your arms all the time. You do it for a moment. Whenever you might feel a need to feel more confident, or you want your audience to know that you're confident in your programs and services or what you're talking about. Another one is the Wonder Woman. I think we all know what that looks like, but if not, it's hands on the hips and feet, a little bit farther than the hip width apart, standing in it. Once again, you're not staying there. You're staying there for a moment. So that's 3 amazing, powerful poses that you can use for the next time that you're presenting. Remember, you spread your arms wide. Number 1, steeple is confident, hands on hips width apart, owning your message that you're here to change lives or whatever you're speaking about. So go ahead and utilize these strategies, and I'll see you on my next video. You can also apply for a strategy session at AmondaRose.com/strategy. AmondaRose.com/strategy.